Hello everyone, and welcome to the Retail's POS product demonstration. Today, we will be covering the main functionality of the point-of-sale cash register, as well as the back-office portal. We will begin with the PIN login screen. When opening up your register, you will be greeted with the login screen. From here, you will be able to clock in and out employees, as well as go on and resume from break. Enter the 4-digit employee PIN and select Sign In. After signing in for the first time each shift, you will be asked to enter your opening cash balance. Enter your starting cash drawer balance to begin your new shift. After entering your opening cash drawer balance, you will be directed to the main menu screen. From here, you will be able to access features such as your cash register, time card, item management, inventory management, customer/loyalty, reports, back office, and item history. We will begin with the cash register. When opening up your cash register, you will see many different features across the top and bottom of the screen. You also have the ability to create custom shortcut buttons for your hot-selling items. You will have 3 different ways to print from the cash register. You have the ability to set up automatic receipt printing, perform a last print, and reprint past receipts. To print the last receipt taken on the register, select Last Print. If you want to find a past receipt, you can select Reprint and perform custom search filters to identify the receipt you are looking to print. Another feature available in the cash register is discounts. Within discounts, you will have the ability to use standard discounts, which can be considered as favorite discounts in store, custom discounts which apply to the entire transaction, and multi-item discounting, which allows you to select specific items scanned into the transaction to apply a discount towards. In the event a customer is unsure of the product price in store, you will have the ability to perform a price check. By selecting Price Check from the cash register, you can either scan in or look up a product to inform the customer of the exact price, including tax. The drawer feature allows you to make adjustments to the cash drawer, whether it be adding, removing, or paying out cash. Drop allows you to remove an overflow of cash in the cash drawer. Pay Out allows you to make payments to employees or distributors by taking money from the cash drawer, and Pay In allows you to add more cash to the cash drawer. If you are selling alcohol or tobacco products, it is always important to verify the customer's age in store. By selecting Age Check, you will have the ability to scan the driver's license of the customer to verify they are of legal age to make the sale. If at any point a customer comes in and does not have the right amount of money to make the payment, and they want to come back at a later time, then you can put transactions on hold and resume them again. Begin by adding items into the transaction. Select Hold and input the customer's name to put the transaction on hold. To resume the transaction when the customer comes back to the store, select Resume. You will be able to see a list of all transactions on hold that can be resumed. If a customer comes in and decides they no longer want to make a purchase, you will have the ability to void out the transaction. By selecting Void, you will be able to confirm if you want to clear out the transaction log rather than deleting each product individually from the transaction. If a customer comes into the store and wants to make an item return, you will have the ability to do so. By selecting Return, you will be prompted with either doing a multi-item return or single-item returns. Multi-item return will allow you to pull up past transactions and select the specific item from the receipt you wish to return in store. A single-item return, you will have the ability to either make a return on the next item scanned into the transaction or all items scanned into the transaction. If the return is being performed correctly, you will see the item prices show up in the transaction log as a negative amount. If you ever need to quickly change the price of an item or notice a price is listed incorrectly, you will have the ability to quick change the item price. Select the Change Price button and scan in or look up the item and input the new retail price. This change in price will save on the item and is not a one-time price change. If you ever want to open up your item database directly from the cash register screen, you can do so by selecting the Items button. Items will open up your item management menu, and from here you can add or edit products in store. At the end of the day, when you are ready to print your sales report, you will have the ability to do so by performing an end shift. Once you select the End Shift button, you will be directed to your shift report. As you continue through ending the shift, you also will have the ability to perform the closing drawer reconciliation. Once all of the information is viewed and confirmed, you can print the report. The system will prompt you to print the report at the end of the shift closing. Time card is available to help track employee working hours in the store as well as shift reporting. From the top of the menu, you will be able to see the list of all employees in your store who are currently clocked in. You will also have the ability to clock in and out employees, as well as go on and resume from break. The employee will be prompted to enter their 4-digit PIN to perform these operations. Item management is where you will be able to make adjustments to your item database. From here, you can add or edit items as well as access other features like price change log, item history, label printing, tag along, change product code, and change price. Once you are in the item management menu, you will have the ability to add new items in your store. From here, you will be able to fill out product information such as the item name, department, sales tax, cost, price, product code, and many other features. Inventory management will give you access to inputting purchase bills or invoices on orders received from your distributors into the point of sale. From here, you will be able to view your inventory dashboard, input new purchase bills, create inventory adjustments on products, and add your product distributors to your store. Customer/Loyalty Program will show your active customer list in store. It allows you to add, edit, and view customer settlement information. From here, you can view all transaction history by the specific customer accounts, as well as view the transaction receipt. Reports will give you the ability to access a variety of sales reports for your store. You will be able to perform custom search criteria such as date and time frames, as well as the type of report you wish to view. Item history is available to help monitor price, cost, and quantity changes of products in your store. You also will be able to view all purchase history and transaction history. When selecting price, cost, and quantity change, you will be able to see information around specific product edits like the time of the edit, who made the edit, the old versus new cost, price, or quantity, and the time of the edit. Purchase history will help you monitor all of your invoices you have input into the inventory module. From here, you can view details such as bill committed date, distributor name, and invoice numbers. Transaction history will allow you to view all receipts of transactions that have occurred in your business. From here, you can perform custom search criteria such as discounted transactions and transactions in which a return occurs. Stay on top of your sales using item history. This ends the RetailzPOS demo. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you.